welcome back to my channel. As you know, I went ahead and I did a review on that K&G wig. So this is me giving you an in-detail video on how I apply my wigs. So as you can see, I'm going ahead and I'm going to remove all of the combs from the base of the wig because I personally don't use those combs. It's not necessary for me, but if you like it, definitely keep the combs on. And as you can see, all combs have been removed. Alright, so now we are prepping to go ahead and bleach the base of our knots. So as you remember, I showed you the base of the hair and I told you that it was about an inch to it, or an inch and a half to 2 inches of lace that was present. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop some of that bleaching powder into this Tupperware, and then from there I'm going to pour some developer into that bowl. And I want to make sure that I don't pour too much because I want the consistency to be thick. So it's very important for the consistency to be thick because if it's not thick, it's going to be liquidy and it's going to cause the bleach to go beyond the knots and go straight into the hair. So we do not want that. So you want to make sure the consistency is very, very thick. Okay. So from here, we're going to go ahead and prep that onto the base of the wig, and we're going to kind of like pat it down. We don't want to like press it too deep because like I said, if you press it too deep, it's going to seep inside of the lace and it's going to go ahead and bleach the actual hair itself. So because it's thick, it's better to just pat all around. Make sure that you get all of the areas that need to be addressed. Take you some aluminum foil. Let that aluminum foil lay onto the head to kind of speed up the process. And we're going to allow that for 20 minutes. Now that our 20 minutes are up, we're going to go ahead and wash all of that bleach off of our lace because it's time to do that. So as we're washing off the bleach, we're making sure that it is completely off. And now I'm going in with some shampoo of your choice. Doesn't really matter. We're just going to go ahead and completely wash the wig now that the bleach is completely off. Now we're just going to wash the wig regularly, the whole. So now we're going to go in with some conditioner of your choice, and what you're going to do is you're going to apply that conditioner all over the hair. And then, this is my hair secret, you're going to take some apple cider vinegar, put it in one of your spray bottles, and you're going to use that apple cider vinegar with the conditioner that you already had on the hair, and you're going to start spraying down that wig. What that does is kind of give the hair a soft kind of coating, which the hair was already soft, but I wanted to make sure it was even softer. So now you're going to get a Walmart bag or any grocery bag of your choice. You're going to now put that hair inside of a bag. Let that sit in the bag for about a good 45 minutes. So now that the 45 minutes are up, you're going to take the hair out. And just like you would any hair, you're going to go ahead and rinse off all of the product that you had in that hair, and you just feel through the hair like it is beautiful. Like it just feels so amazing, so amazing. So now I'm gonna let it dry, and voila, after letting it dry, this is the outcome of the lace. of where the lace is. Not on the lace, but like behind it. So right there, boom. Take me some needle and thread. And I am about to go in and attach this elastic band to the wig. So I am just now finishing up sewing down one half of the sides. I'm going to go ahead and attach the other end of the elastic band. And from there, as you can see, did that off camera, and the elastic band is sewn on tight. From here, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry out the hair with a blow dryer. And then I followed through with the straightener, but I decided that I didn't want the hair to be straight. So you'll see the next look. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and I crinkled the hair because you saw that I was straightening it, and based off of the look that it was giving me, I just was not feeling it. So I went ahead and I crinkled the hair with a crinkle iron that I had got from Goodwill for $3. So called Bedhead. Really good. Worth my $3. So I went ahead and sprayed Gots to Be on my head in the front, and I also applied this elastic band, like the elastic band that I was using. I'm gonna go ahead and try to cut this lace on camera. If I can't do it, I will be right back. But this is the hair. Challenging, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to cut it off camera. I'm gonna be back and then I'll give you more insight on the hair. So see you in a little. Alright, so I am back. This is the hair. I'm not gonna do too much of a review because if you watched my last video, I basically did an unboxing and I showed you what the hair is like. The only commentary that I have for this hair is when I was straightening it, as you saw in the video, I didn't show you the, like, from top to bottom, but the hair was kind of levitating. And when I say levitating, it started kind of creating this, like, static kind of feel towards the end. So I had tried to cut the ends a little bit. And then after cutting the ends, I took some oil Shein and I sprayed it on the hair while the hair was straightened. And I saw that it was kind of, like, greasy. So, like I said, I went ahead and I took this crumple iron and I just started crimping out the hair. So, if you're really not into hair and you really don't know how to maintain hair, would I recommend this hair for you? No, I would not. But if you're a finesser like myself and you know you invest money in something and you're just like, I'm gonna get the bang for my buck, go ahead and get this hair. I will say that I feel like it does require, it requires some work. Also, my head is not big at all, but when I had put the frontal on and I cut the lace, I noticed that some of my edges are showing. So will I be doing too much maneuvering around? No, because I can't anyways, because it's the middle part. a yes wig for me. I mean, it's gonna do a little something, like, you know what I'm saying? Obviously it holds curls. I will say that it holds curls. I just decided to do a water wave kind of look because it has contrast, it has color, it kind of gives me Beyonce. Just kidding. But I definitely love the color. If this is something that you're interested in, I will not be leaving the link to that. It is definitely in my other video, so I definitely advise you to go back and watch that video because that's where all the information to this hair is located. But yeah, I definitely do like the look, and it really holds curls. It does, I would say it sheds, but all hair sheds, kinda. It didn't shed a lot. It's soft, still soft. You saw the process and how I did to take care of the hair. I thought the apple cider vinegar was definitely going to help the hair, but it didn't do that. But the hair is still soft. It smells good. It smells like me now because I washed it with my products. But yeah, like if you definitely like this wig, it's a yes for me. Like I like it. Like I definitely see myself going places with this wig. So I haven't worn it outside yet. So we'll see how that goes. I might come back and leave a little like update or something and be like, hey, the hair is like this. But if you definitely like this look, I like it. It's not like the hair that the vendors are showing on their website saying like these are people who have this hair. They're lying. They're lying, okay? This is what the hair looks like, okay? So don't be fooled by what they show you because I got the gotcha, but I didn't get got because I made it work. Okay, so if you definitely do love this video and you want to see more reviews on hair, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and also follow me on social media. My name is Udo. What else? Like I'm just, I'm cool. Like I don't post, everything, but what I do post, you'll enjoy it. You'll enjoy it. But I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in. I'm glad that you came back to see the review on this hair. It's amazing in a way. Like, don't you think? All right, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Bye.